Alright, so what we got here is a SP01 Airsoft pistol. It's from the Marines. It's a customized brown or desert camo. I got this at Big 5 for about 25 bucks. Spring powered, 325 FPS. Let's go unbox this crap.
Oh wow.
Alright, so here's the gun. It's pretty good looking. It's alright. This is the safety right here. Spring. It's decent. It's got a pullback hammer. Doesn't have a railing system, so that really sucks. Here. Alright, so SP01. I don't even know why I'm reading this. See this. It's this right here. Okay, so I guess it comes with like a dog tag or something. Let's see. Let's open this up. Alright, so basically what the thing's got, it's got the Marine Corps' emblem. It's got United States Marine Corps Airsoft.com. And it's got Marines. In the back there's an inscription code. And that you need to go on like the website or something. Let me put this shit on though. Alright. Basically, I guess this is a field guide. It's nothing much. It tells you like regiment things, what positions are which. Not gonna really focus on that. It's really boring. Alright, here's the manual. Pretty sure you guys don't really give a shit about that, and you guys want a shooting test. Now I won't give you guys a shooting test because I don't have any BBs right now. Let's buy some more. So, basically I'm just going to give you guys an overview on the sights right now. Like I said before, it was like 25 bucks. Alright, so the mag, it's pretty decent size. It's almost as big as my hand. It's one of those mags that you can stay there, and once you like press a button back here, it goes up.
Alright.
You got United States Marine Corps on the emblem on the call this the handle, grip. Safety's pretty okay. So let's clean this out. Let's see the sights. Try see if you can get the sights on there.
I mean,
sights.
You move it?
Yeah, it's a pullback hammer, of course. The sights though, right here.
Oh, alright. Yeah, I got it.
Pretty decent sights. They're mounted on. Alright, so later on I'm gonna put a shooting test video. I wouldn't recommend this in a war though. Maybe seriously in just like a backyard.
Alright.
This thing's made in Taiwan, so yet again this is the SP01.
Oh, what rating would you give it?
Out of 10, I'd probably give it like maybe like an 8.
8? Alright.
I'm pretty sure you could buy extended mags for this thing. It'd look pretty cool. Let's give it like a G18 look.
Huh.
That's it.
Alright.